Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Had a good workout in. It's a long 3-day weekend and this boy is trying to get all the extra love he can since I'm home for the weekend. And got some packages to open with you guys. I'm about to do my hair. Oh my, he always tries to put right there. Anyways, I'm about to do my hair. I'm gonna crimp it today, so we'll see how it turns out. Don't love it today. I think I'll have to like pin it back or something. It's like basically my hair, but like wilder, thicker, which is kind of nice, but whatever. Need to do some makeup. Turns out it's gonna be kind of busy week. Tomorrow's Labor Day, it's Austin's dad's birthday, and then my best friend's in town, so we're gonna go get, well, me and my mom are gonna go get brunch with her and her mom, which I can't wait. And then the pop-up for my boutique is this week on Thursday, so I still feel like I have a lot to do for that. I really need to figure out like the layout, all that stuff. Side business stuff. Oh, and on Thursday morning, I'm going to a really special preview event for Crystal Bridges that I cannot wait to share. I might actually vlog it while I'm there, so we'll see. I'll probably chicken out, but maybe I'll get some clips, and so make sure you follow me on Instagram because that's for sure what I'll be posting. I'm just so excited about it. It's like a really big event, but yeah, big week. And yeah, man, my face is white and my eyes are blue today. Okay, first unboxing. I'm so excited about this. It's from Merit Beauty, so thank you Merit Beauty for also sponsoring today's video. How cute is this little handbag that it came in? I'm not holding it right, obviously, but it's just like got the little tie. It's like a very fall corduroy, super cute. And yes, I have cat hair on it already. And I couldn't help myself, I opened it already, but I wanted to show you guys, so. Okay, so the first one is the Brow 1980. It's a volumizing pomade, and I'm so excited about it. I'm sorry, my camera will not focus. I did the brown because I do have really dark brows, even though I have blonde hair, so I'm going to try this out today because I'm going to do some photos, and I'll show you how they turn out. I'm really excited because can't go wrong with a good brow gel. Well, hello, little mans. You want some of it? Ugh, he's so sweet today. Okay, sorry, no biting. The next one is the Merit Bronze Balm. Sorry, leave me alone, Maui. Stop. Okay. Scratch all of that because he's trying to be rotten. So it's the Bronze Balm. I went with one of the lighter colors just because I don't use a ton of bronzer, but it's nice to just give myself a little bit of color. So this one is, first of all, their packaging is literally so beautiful, but it's clean beauty. I will have a discount code for you guys, and I'm gonna go try it out. Okay, the next one that he will be assisting with today is Slide Jewels. I'm really excited about this. They're featured in magazines like Elle and Cosmo, so I've heard really great reviews about them. First of all, packaging is so good, and he thinks so too, unfortunately. And I already opened one of them, so I went ahead and put it on. It's like a little handcuff link chain. It's plated with gold. It's like 18 karat plated. And if you know me, I have like the world's smallest wrist. And the fact that it's like actually fits me is amazing. I'll have another discount code for you guys as well. And I guess Frank wants to have a little bit too. So they have a monthly subscription box. So this is their honey box. And it's a surprise each month what you get in the box, and I think they have another subscription box, but this one came with 2 pieces. So like I said, the cute little handcuff bracelet, and then again, how freaking cute is this? And then, oh, Maui. This little pearl choker. It's like a two-tone with the paperclip chain. So freaking cute. Cat hair. Maui. No. Anyways, I'm about to put this on so Maui doesn't ruin it. Okay, so I did like my base makeup, my BB cream and all that stuff and mascara. So I'm gonna start with the brow gel. I'm super excited. I just love the packaging. It's so on brand, so cute, and like if it's in your purse, it's just like something cute to look at. Oh, upside down. Okay. So yes, went with the brown. Here we go. Actually, I'm gonna brush my brows up first, get them kind of into position because they're wild, and then just a little bit through the brows. I was using a clear one that I love, and the other day I was like, well, I just wish I could fill it in a little bit. Seems like that's perfect. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then this one a little bit. I hate like super dark brows on people that are just like so fake and drawn on. And I know that was such a trend for a minute, just like the skinny eyebrows, but they're just so natural. I love that. Gee, you guys. Eyebrows done. And I love that they're gonna stay, because my hair is just like at that short point where if you look down, bend down, whatever, and your hair's not tucked in, it's just like covers your eyebrows and screws them up. So excited about that. And okay, here's the color. The bronze balm I got is in Quince, Quince. I'll put that at the bottom too. Did I say that this was brown? Yeah, it's just literally brown. And wait till you see how pretty it is. Look at that. Just stunning. Anyways, so I'm just gonna do a little bit at the cheekbones. And if I was doing like a full look, I would do cheekbones, nose, under the chin, and around the head. But I'm literally just gonna rub that in with my finger, because y'all know I'm a finger girl with my makeup. And I'm gonna top it off with just a little bit of blush. My Faculier Silky Powder Ombre Blush. We're having a pizza night at my sister's house. That's the other thing I'm missing. Busy. Pizza night tonight with the fam. And let's get the full look. We're done. I'm gonna add a little bit of lip gloss. I kind of think, should I clip my hair back? It's just kind of wild today. Oh, for sure should probably clip it back. Claw clip from Fleur Collective. There we go. Got my new jewels on. And we are ready to go. Okay, first outfit for today. For some content I'm needing to do. This little blazer is from Amazon. I will link it for you guys. It comes in lots of colors. And I love that it's got the little tie-ups on it. And it does have the individual button in the middle. But I like them open usually. And basically made it like a two-piece set. And threw some sandals on with it. But you know me, I love a good little sweater vest. And just super easy. This with like some jeans and like a little kitten heel or something for work is like chef kiss for me.